Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to connect this mobile phone to TV. I would be showing two methods. Method 1. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to Wi-Fi network named Home Wi-Fi. Then go to TV. Go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to network and internet. And here you can see I have connected this TV to same Wi-Fi network, Home Wi-Fi. This is very important. We have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that, in mobile phone, again open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connection and sharing. Go to Screencast. Tap here. Tap on search for display devices. Tap here. Now this mobile phone is searching for Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Here you can see Google TV. That is the name of this TV. This means this mobile phone has detected this Google TV. Tap on this TV name. Now it's connecting. Tap here. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen in TV, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way you would be able to switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings. And here you can see stop screencast. Tap here. Done. This is the method 1. Method 2. In mobile phone, open Google Play Store. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. After that we need to create home. Here you can see create home button. Tap on this button. Then here we can enter name for the home. So let me enter home 3. Then save. Here we can set address for the home. I am going to skip this step. Tap on skip. Tap on continue without address. Now it's looking for devices. Let me cancel this step. Tap on cancel. Done. And here on top you can see home 3. Now home is ready. Then tap on this all devices tab. Tap here. Here you can see all devices. Under that you can see local devices. Below that you can see Google TV. That is the name of this TV. This means this Google Home app has detected Chromecast enabled Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap here. Select entire screen. Tap on start casting. See, it's working. This is a method 2. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Here you can see stop mirroring. Tap here. Done. So these are the two methods. These are the two methods to connect this mobile phone to TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.